How to find my Bitcoin address on Binance. Welcome to Glitz Sorcerer and let's get right into this tutorial. In order to do so, firstly launch a Bitcoin application. Make sure that it is up to date and you are logged in into your account. Once you are logged in, at the top you will find a three-lined icon. You need to select on it or just tap on the wallet icon based on the upgrade in your device. Then at the top you will see your wallet. Select on wallet. Now firstly you need to tap on the deposit option. So you can select any of the network that you want to. Just tap on deposit. To send via our network, select on the preferred network and make sure that it is secured enough. Once you have selected it, at the end you will find a QR code. Also at the very top you will see the address. That is your Bitcoin address. So you can easily copy the copy icon and paste it or send it to whoever you wish to. Also, you can tap on the send icon at the bottom or just take a screenshot of the QR code and share along with the person that you want to. By this way, you'll be able to find your Bitcoin address on your Binance. Wasn't it simple? Make sure to go ahead and give it a try and thank you so much for tuning in.